We're actually building out our own version of Replit Clone. So I just want to let you in on where we're at the moment, get your suggestions, and also get your feedback if there are any features that you would love us to implement. So as we know, Replit is a platform that allows people to create websites based on prompts. And what we have over here is like the project dashboard where you're going to see the prompt, and I actually love this sleek animation that goes on over here. But if you come further down, you're going to see a list of projects, and if you click straight up into a project, you're going to be taken over to that specific project dashboard, which is where all the magic goes on to happen. As you can see, this is where we're going to be getting the agent insights based on the work the agent is doing. Here we're going to have the file system, and here we're going to have the not just the Monaco editor. This is also going to serve as the preview so that you can actually see what the AI has built. And this site search bar that we have over here, you can also go on to type specific URLs. For the tech stack we are using for building out this project, we are using Supabase. Supabase is helping us for not just the Postgres database, but also for the authentication. As we see, we have authentication going on here. You can log out and sign back into the application with different authentication providers. So right here, this is how the landing page of the application is going to be. Once you're not authenticated, you also have teaming, which actually looks nice on both the light mode as well as the dark mode. And you're going to have this modal over here to authenticate. We have the GitHub, Google, and email authentication. And if you click here, you can actually go on to sign in or go on to create an account via email. So I'm just going to authenticate myself back into the platform via GitHub, and we are going to be navigated straight up into the project dashboard. What else do we have going on? We actually do have a whole lot. For the technology stack we are going to be using for this project, we are going to be using E2B, which so that we can make use of their sandbox. We are also going to be making use of ingest so that we can run background works, agent loops, things like that. These are the technologies we are going to be covering right inside here. I've already discussed Supabase for the authentication and also the Postgres database. We are definitely going to be making use of Supabase real time as well in the application. We have user settings for appearance, accounts, profile, all going on nice and good. So this is actually the build, and someone suggested in the comment section that I should have, or maybe one of the posts that I put out there, that I should try to have a feature where users would be able to also create mobile application and not just web application. That's something I am deeply considering in this build, and also full stack application and not just building out static UIs like this. So maybe having something like a Supabase integration where Supabase can be used to spin up full stack applications. So these are the exciting suggestions that I'm getting from the community. I would like to know your own suggestion in the comment. Do let me know if you have any idea or maybe a suggestion that we can be implementing inside this build to make it come out so super clean. We already have the website pre-built just over here. So we have the website built, all of it done. So that's it. That's where we are at the moment. I am super hyped for this, and I can't wait to bring this to you. So do let me know about your suggestions and ideas in the description below. And if you are not following us, make sure you do hit the follow. Interesting time ahead as we are building out exciting projects. I look forward to seeing you when this is live, and definitely turn on your bell notification icon so that you will be the first to know once we publish out this course. I'm going to see you soon.